Welcome back tuning into today's video. We're going to do a weekend forecast today, have a detailed look at weather for the next 7 days across the British Isles. We're going to be seeing changes coming up in the coming week. I think we're going to go to a much more spring-like pattern. So yes, spring is on the way. If you're fed up with all the rain, it's been a horrible winter. Good news, because spring is coming up, and we're going to see a drying trend, I think, as well as we come through the coming week. Have a look at all the detail in a moment. Before I get on with the video, I just want to mention the advertising. There's video ads on my pages at GavsworthBiz.com. If you press play on the video ad, be supporting GavsworthBiz.com. It's all you have to do. Press play. Don't necessarily have to sit watch the whole thing all the way through. Every time you press play on the video ad, you'll be helping to support GavsworthBiz.com. I've also got some content ads that I'm experimenting with. They're proving very popular. Actually, I'm surprised how popular they have been, but they've got some very interesting articles, so maybe it's not that surprising. If you want to read any of those articles, just browse through the links underneath the video player here, and if you want to read any of those articles, you click through the link, you'll go to the website where the article is on, you'll be able to read it. Very interesting articles they've got as well. And when you do that, again, you're supporting GavsworthBiz.com. So there's various ways of getting involved and supporting the website. Thanks so much for doing that. It pays me to sit here and talk to you via the website. So thanks a lot for doing that. The websites we're using for the weekend forecast, we've got the charts coming from westtech.de and weatheroutlook.com. I've also got this radar pitch here from UK Met Office. Link to all three of those websites is on my links page. And just say very exciting news announced last night, which is that if you watch on YouTube, you're going to have to change channels. From the 15th of March, I'm going to be moving my YouTube channel from Gavin Partridge to GavsworthVids. So all you have to do is go to youtube.com/GavsworthVids and subscribe to GavsworthVids, and that's all you have to do. You have to carry on watching all the weather videos at YouTube from the 15th of March. So let's get on with weekend forecast, all of the announcements done and dusted. Here we go with the radar picture, and we're losing the last of yesterday's rain from the East Anglian coast now. That's pushing off into the North Sea. Got some rain coming into northwestern parts of Scotland and down into Northern Ireland as well. That will get heavier through the course of the afternoon. It's quite showery at the moment, but it will get heavier this afternoon and into this evening. This is today's Arctic pressure chart. There's the low pressure that brought all of the damp weather yesterday. That's going off in towards the Low Countries. Next little trough is coming into the northwest of Scotland. So England and Wales going to have a nice day. Southeast been cloudy and damp this morning, but it will brighten up through the course of the afternoon. Nice day for England and Wales. For Scotland and Northern Ireland, it'll turn cloudier with showery rain in the northwest and down into Northern Ireland, pushing eastwards through the course of the afternoon. Generally quite light this afternoon, but you get heavier in the west of Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of this evening. Temperatures today, well, about where they should be really, rather chilly I suppose, at around 6-7. Turn all that mild. Now, overnight we're going to find quite a wet spell setting in across the north as this little trough comes through. So for Scotland, Northern Ireland, parts of Northern England, find rain push through. Quite showery, but there'll be some heavy bursts mixed in. Further south, well, North Wales could get some showery rain as well, but I think much of England and Wales probably staying dry through the course of the night, although rather cloudy, so probably not as cold as it was last night. Although the far south and southwest may have quite clear spells, and there could be a frost with some fog patches as well. Temperatures possibly down to -1, but otherwise I think the harbour temperatures above freezing for many places tonight. The next area of low pressure is rattling in as we move into Sunday, so any rain across northeast parts of England, East England will go quite quickly first thing on Sunday morning. They'll have a dry, brighter spell through the morning, but wet and windy weather will be sweeping into the west, and that'll spread eastwards across most parts of the country through the afternoon and the evening, probably not arriving into eastern England until after dark, but most places will turn wet and windy by the end of Sunday afternoon. Temperatures on Sunday probably around 7, 8 or 9 degrees, but feeling quite chilly in the wind and the rain. That low pressure is sitting across England and Wales on Monday, so I think we're going to have further showers or longer spells of rain for England and Wales. You're probably wondering what I was talking about outside of the video with spring coming, but don't worry, we'll have a look at that in a moment. But for Monday, it's still very unsettled, showers and longer spells of rain for England and Wales, whereas Scotland and Northern Ireland probably brighter with sunshine and showers. And there, the showers could turn a little bit wintry actually over high ground. Still rather on the cool side, if anything, with temperatures somewhere between around 3 and 7 degrees. Things start to begin to change as we move through into Tuesday. We've still more or less got low pressure in control, but it is starting to lift out a little bit. I think basically looking at sunshine and showers on Tuesday. Most of the showers in the north and west, probably not too many in the south and the southeast. Temperatures again on the chilly side at around 3 to 7 or 8 degrees. But then we go through to Wednesday, and look, the high pressure beginning to build to the south from the Azores, stretching in towards France. So that means that for England and Wales, still quite a bit of dry weather on Wednesday with some bright or sunny spells. For Scotland and Northern Ireland, bringing another area of low pressure through, so probably a band of wet and windy weather sweeps through across Scotland, Northern Ireland, possibly into Northern England through the course of Wednesday. Temperatures beginning to lift up as winds swinging to the southwest, getting up to around 10 degrees 50 Fahrenheit. As we go through to Thursday, we've got a weather system here sort of draped across the country, a set of weather fronts. So for southern Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, rather cloudy with rain, showery rain probably on and off through much of the day. Further south, mainly dry, rather a lot of cloud. To the north, probably sunshine and showers, and some of those showers across northern Scotland could be wintry. Temperatures in the south, maybe lifting up a degree or so more, up to 11 or 12 degrees. So proper mild weather by Thursday. In the north, though, still rather cold at 7 or 8. And then as we go through to Friday, the high pressure is building over France, starting to push northwards. So we take that rain from northern England, Northern Ireland and southern Scotland and shift it northwards into central and northern Scotland with drier, brighter, sunnier skies pushing up from the south. Could be some cold nights, could be some fog as well, night and morning, but by day, I think on Friday will be very sunny across much of England and Wales. And temperatures really responding. They're going to shoot up, rocket up, possibly up to 14 or 15 degrees. 15 is 59 Fahrenheit. It will feel very, very spring-like. Could be very nice. And we keep that very nice weather going into a weekend with high pressure setting up just to the east of the country. Still got weather fronts across the far north and northwest of Scotland with some cloud and rain there, but most parts of the country will be dry. There'll be good sunny spells. Could be fog night and morning. There could be some patchy frost as well, but I think by day lots of sunshine and temperatures really getting, well, I think we can say warm actually, possibly up to 15, 16 degrees. 16 is one that you turn around to 61 Fahrenheit. It's going to feel very, very nice if this comes off as planned. Here's charts from the weather outlook. Got the showers coming into the northwest today. Otherwise, a lot of dry weather. Wet and windy weather sweeping across the country on Sunday. Not going to be a very nice day. Showers, longer spells of rain for England and Wales on Monday. Mainly dry conditions, this is showing on Tuesday, but I think there will still be some showers, rather cool weather. I think we'll have rain coming into the north on Wednesday, mainly dry in the south, temperatures beginning to lift up. Rain in the north on Thursday, mainly dry in the south, temperatures lifting up. And by Friday, well, still the chance of rain in the north, but most areas dry, and temperatures really responding to that sunshine, getting up into the mid-teens. And that fine weather should, hopefully, fingers crossed, go on into next weekend. So a very nice spell of weather on the way towards the end of the week. We've got to get some cool, sort of unsettled, wet conditions out of the way first. Once we get that out of the way, both from midweek onwards, the weather is on the up. It's going to turn mainly dry away from the north, and temperatures will be lifting up as well. Very spring-like by next weekend. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.